Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. Mr. Chairman, at the outset, I would like to point out that after the budget was presented by the Honorable Finance Minister, we have discussed only 9 ministries out of many ministries. What we have done really is this: 37% of the demands for grants have been discussed and 63% of them have been guillotined. The point that I am making precisely is this: the expenditure in the budget is increasing and has increased since 1950. I have taken the trouble of collecting some figures to show how about 300 times it has increased since 1950. The time devoted to the budget is getting less and less. In fact, the sessions of Parliament themselves are getting shorter and less time the Parliament is meeting since 1950 till this day. Within the shorter time, the time devoted to the budget is getting less. Perhaps one could have thought that the business of the government was increasing and getting so complex that there was no way in which the accountability to Parliament, as envisaged originally, could be enforced. But this is not being done. I know of countries worth mentioning of some substance. India is the only country where the accountability of the government to Parliament is getting less. The accountability of the government to representative democracy is increasing in all the countries of so called old Commonwealth. In all countries where there is any substance in parliamentary democracy, presidential democracy, it is also increasing to committees which meet throughout the year and scrutinize in details the demand for grants. Only general matters are discussed in parliaments. Therefore, I would like to show the enormity of this problem so that this House takes some decision on these matters. We are the only odd country where parliamentary effectiveness is decreasing year after year. This year, 37% of the demand for grants have been discussed and 63% of them have been guillotined. The expenditure concerned in the budget of 1950-51 of the Government of India was rupees 337 crores. In this budget, it is rupees 94,000 crores. There is an increase about 300 times. As against this, the number of sittings of Parliament is decreasing. In the first Parliament in 1950-51, the parliamentary sittings were 677 effective days. In the last Parliament, there were 465 days. Stop. Thank you.